Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Cadillac CTS. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Cadillac is a great value with less than 34,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.